my God, why hast thou me forsaken? Why so far art thou from helping me, and from my worst at roaring hour? O day, my God, to thee I cry, yet am not heard by thee. And in the season of the night, I cannot silent be. Like water I'm poured out, my bones all out of joint to part. Amidst my bowels as the west, so melted is my heart. My strength is like a potsherd dry. My tongue it cleaveth fast unto my jaws, and to the dust of death thou brought me hast. For dogs have compassed me about, the wicked that did meet in their assembly me enclose. They pierced my hands and feet. All my bones they tell, they do upon me look and stare. Upon my vesture lots they cast, and close among them share. But be not far, O Lord, my strength, haste to give help to me. From sword my soul, from power of dogs, my darling, set thou free.